Hi everyone. So come to the final part of chapter 2, 2.4, where we look at the water. And we should know that water is not a biological molecule, but it has a very important role, okay, in terms of the living organism. Okay, so now we have to focus in terms of the hydrogen bonding occur between the water molecules and relates the property of water to its role in the living organism. Right, limit to the solvent action, high specific heat capacity, latent heat of vaporization, and we should know, or we must know, because in chapter uh 7, when we look at the transport in plant, then we look at the cohesion and also the adhesion force, right? Okay, so yep, in the space below, draw a diagram to show a hydrogen bond between two water molecules. So always remember to show the hydrogen atom, delta positive, oxygen atom, delta negative, and because of this, they have slight charge. So they are linked by hydrogen bonds, yeah? So yeah, explain how hydrogen bonding occur between water molecule. So first, they are dipole. So each water molecule has a slightly positive charge on the hydrogen atom and slightly negatively charged on the oxygen atom. Be careful, hydrogen, the word atom must be there, oxygen must be there. Okay, so the delta positive charge of hydrogen atom of one water molecule, they are attracted to the negatively charged or a slightly negative charge oxygen atom of another. So they form this weak interaction known as hydrogen bond. Yeah. Now, number two question. Okay, movement of water in xylem depends on the force of attraction between water molecule as a result of hydrogen bonding. So the name given to this force of attraction is known as cohesion. State the property of water that result in the cooling effect, then definitely high latent heat of vaporization, right? And because of this, they absorb a lot of heat from the surface before they evaporate. So therefore, they bring away this heat energy. So give the plants the cooling effects. Okay. Suggest why water is an excellent solvent. We use the word excellent solvent again for ions, and we know that because water they are polar, ions they are charged particle. Okay, so that delta negative charge oxygen atom. Sorry, my mistake here. Oxygen atom. Okay, of a water molecule faces the positively charged ions, okay, while the positively charged hydrogen atom, right, or delta positive, a slight charge, okay, hydrogen atom faces the negative ion, okay, so they attract to each other in this case, right? So make sure that the ion is soluble, okay, and in this case, we always say that it's not hydrogen bond because it's a dipole ions interaction. Ion dipole, sorry, my mistake. We use the word ion dipole interaction. Okay. So water has a significant role in this case, so solvent for glucose and ions, because water molecule are dipolar, right? Okay, so movement in the xylem is due to the formation of hydrogen bonding help to decrease body temperature in mammal. So definitely high latent heat of vaporization. Okay. So yeah, you can mention here water molecule are dipole, okay, for the first statement, or you can say that water is an excellent solvent. And movement in the xylem is due to the cohesion as well, right? Okay. So the table below shows include a statement about the role of water, and we need to put a tick only, so you do not need to put a cross. Transport medium in the blood plasma and phloems, definitely the solvent property. Okay. Surface for small insect to walk on, definitely is a strong cohesive force between the water molecule form the high surface tension. Major component of sweat used in the heat loss, again, definitely high heats of vaporization. Transpirations, okay, pool. Be careful, it's not transpiration, but transpiration pool in this case, also because of the strong cohesive forces between the water molecule, okay, preventing wide variations in body temperature, so high specific heat capacity, right? Okay, so that our body temperature will maintain relatively constant at 37 degrees Celsius. Okay, so with this, we have done for the part 4 of chapter 2. Stay tuned for chapter 3. Okay, take care and have a great day.